Hello everyone, this is Nora from Pendaily, not David this time. What? And I'm going to talk about this Huawei P30 and open it for you guys. It's been out for a while now. It came out in March, but I know many of you guys are interested in it, so let's have a look, shall we? Oh, here it is. If I can get it out. I'll just turn it over. There we go. Smooth, right? So here it is. It's pretty small. It's a 6.1 inch screen, which is smaller than the P30 Pro, but it's also $350 cheaper. So, see, a headphone jack, not bad. But that also lowers the IP rating. So this is maybe not waterproof, but I'd say it's splash proof. And turn it on. Here's the back. Try to peel this off. That comes one part. There we go. This color is called Amber Sunrise. It's quite pretty. It also comes in a bunch of different colors like blue and black and white. Yep, and here's the camera. It has a triple camera setup. And that is like the main event when it comes to the Huawei P series. So this is supposed to be very good. It has a 40 megapixel main camera as well as an ultra wide angle lens and a telephoto lens. So it's pretty nice. Here we have it, the EMUI. Yep, let's see what else is in the box. Well, here we have the case. Instructions, the clear gel case, that, cable, the charger, and headphones, yay! Ooh. Gotta peel this off just because it's so satisfying. Now isn't that much better? All right, that's all I got for you today. Stay tuned for future videos.